Hello again. Today I've got a really awesome Shein nail art haul for you, but I've got to be quick about it because I kind of made a promise that I would not do any more nail supply shopping. And well, let's see what all's in here. I got some really cool stuff this time around. So let's get this bag open and just get started. Let's see what all we've got. This is a kind of a mix and match of everything. All right. Of course, as usual, I went on to get like one thing. I needed a nice new palette to show off my nail designs because I use them for painting and doing nail art, so I end up mucking them up really bad. So I decided to get a few. I think there should be one other one in here somewhere. Oh, there's too much. I don't even know where to start. Okay. So I wanted some new magnets. I have a bunch, but a lot of them are getting really beat up, and I just thought I'd try some new styles. Oh, these are tiny. I did not expect them to be so tiny like this. Not at all. I expected them to be big bars. That is very interesting. So these are microscopic compared to what I was expecting, which I thought was big ones. But okay. So there's that. Then I got a couple of different wands to make things easier. This one is super thin. It looked like it would be good for doing caviar bead designs, to move your caviar beads around easier. So these 3 different magnet sets. This is a very interesting silicone dabber doohickey. Ooh, that's so squishy. So for doing ombres and stuff, I don't know. That's what it showed it was for. But it looks really odd, and I don't know what it's going to be like. But I thought it was worth a shot. It was like $1 or $2. We'll try it out and see how it goes. I picked up a couple more 3D charm and deco type things. So this one is lace. Looks really nice. I've been really loving using the decals and charm things, and they're typically around $2 or so. So I figure well worth it to have a play with them. This one is roses, florals. Yeah. I have a lot of these types of florals in different colors for doing accent nails and charms and such, but it's nice to be able to do your own colors and have them match whatever you're working on instead of scrambling to try and make colors right. And I love dried flowers. So when I saw these little sets of dried flower goodies, I could not resist. Look at those. Again, they were like $2. There's lots and lots of cute little flowery bits in there. I'm not sure if they're actual flowers or if they're just like paper or something cut up to kind of give the idea of flowers. Yeah, they kind of look like paper. But either way, they look like they'll be pretty. And we can do something neat with those. I've been wanting to try solid gel. So I do Gelix extensions once in a while on friends or family. And because I don't do them very often, it's only a few times a year, I do struggle with using the liquid I use a spray and using the liquid gel to put them on. I do find that it can get a little messy sometimes and you're doing a lot of cleanup. So I thought that I would check out some solid gel options and see how that worked out. I'm excited to try this. I'm hoping, against hope, that it's going to make for a huge difference for when I am doing gel extensions, that I don't have to fight with it quite as much. I'm not sure what's in here. Maybe it's the other palette that I was hoping for, and they're very, 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 very delicate wrapping. Yeah, it would kind of seem like that. Maybe it's glass. I don't know. I did not expect this to be glass. It is. Well, what do you know? So again, it's a palette idea for doing my nail sets on. Yeah, they would look really nice set up on there. That'll be cool. They packaged that really well. No chance of breakage there. I think these are some pretty polishes. Like hollows or something. Let's see. It's a little 7mm. Yeah, I have a feeling it's going to be a hollow. Ooh, look at that. Sparkly hollow goodness. Can never get too much of sparkly hollow goodness. And the other one, we'll just do a different color. Pinky hollow goodness. Oh yes, look at that. So pretty. This, I don't know. Miss Monday. Sometimes I just get things experimentally, try out, see what they are. Oh, I remember this. Okay, so this is like a crackled egg topper. So it's a top coat with little spots, black spots in it. That's cool. I got a few different gel sets to try comparing to some of the syrup gels that I got recently. That's interesting. This one is Miss Monday. This one is Annie's. They're using the same packaging. So this is just, I think, a set of nude syrup colors. And I have come across a few things online talking about Annie's and that it's a pretty decent discount brand. So I'm hoping these might compare somewhat to some of the Korean syrup gels that I've been picking up. So there's that. And this set here. Let's see. That was a 6-piece set. This one's a 6-piece set. I think all three of them are 6-piece. And again, probably going to be syrup. Yep. So syrup gels for me to compare to Korean brands. Nice. Lots of nude type colors. That's a lot of what I find on the discount sites when it comes to more syrupy looking gels, is they seem to tend to be a lot of times more in the nude tones. Or the like dusky mauve and things like that. It's like a tan or a burnt umber. Yeah, there's one of those mauve kind of colors. It's like a very light plum. So yeah, I'll do swatches with all of these at some point and check them against some syrup gels that might be comparable. And I think lastly, of course, like always, stickers. Never have too many stickers. So some really pretty butterflies that are kind of a hollow effect. And these were just cute. So I got, these are not what I expected at all. These bubble ones. They looked very, very different from what I was looking at online. I don't know how to explain it. The other ones seemed very delicate and like the ones I thought I was ordering. They looked realistic. They looked like realistic bubbles online. Maybe it's just the way they were photographed, but I'll have to take it out. These were just for fun. Cute little balloon animals, like jelly with a 3D effect. I don't know if this is something I'd ever use on a nail set, but they were adorable. And who knows, you never know what you might end up doing. And of course, more jellyfish. These are a hollow 3D effect. I love beach and jellyfish. And then I grabbed some more French tip stickers for doing like French tip ombres and things like that. This is just a single sheet, and then this one has all different sheets inside, different styles. There's a really sharp French, and there's wave, and a very sharp triangular V. So different ones. There's a few different sheets in here for them. Pretty happy. It was a good haul. Can't wait to do all these different color swatches and see what all these gels end up turning out like, and get to playing with some magnets and some new cat eye sets that I picked up. Thanks for sticking around to watch. If you're curious about any of these products, I'll make sure to put links down in the description. Until next time, guys, don't forget to love your nails.